So hey guys, this video gonna unpack this deodorize and dehumidity with charcoal. So absorb the unpleasant odor and moisture to prevent the formation of mildew, mold, and Odour. Sorry, maybe got some wrong pronunciation, but it's okay. You can just help me to fix it by comment below. Okay, so this is how to use. You just open the lid and tear off the aluminium foil. Okay, and do not tear off the white membrane sheet underneath. Close the lid tightly and place on a flat surface. Replace a new pack when granule replete. Okay, so this is a Malaysia product. It's from AEON and it's manufactured by Kambas Malaysia. Perak is for AEON Topvalu. Okay, hear the sound. Okay, before that, yeah, check it out. This is the warning. Okay, it is caution, use occurring blah blah blah, and be careful and store at the room temperature and nothing else. This is what with charcoal. Okay, the other side is actually the same information. Okay, now we try to unpack this. Okay, unpack. We find a way to unpack it. Yeah, should be correct way to unpack. So this was the design. Okay, very simple, and yeah, I think this is a code. Okay, now we try to tear it. Okay, first open the cover. Okay, then hold on, what is right thing here? Okay, it just say tear off this aluminium foil. Don't tear underneath the white membrane. Okay, now try to tear it off carefully. Yeah, ching ching. That's all. So this part, don't tear it. You just place any place inside your room or your living room or your house. Okay, if you feel your inside your room smell very bad, you can buy as much as you want and you try to put it, test for few days. So inside, what I can see inside is just, I think it's not a full charcoal, just a few pieces of charcoal. Okay, so and a small busy one, I'm not sure it's what. It's not full charcoal, just I think around 20%, that's all. Okay, so it's not full charcoal, it's with charcoal only, with charcoal. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like it, and please give us a like and please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.